slanting line up, slanting line down. Now sleeping line, capital A, small a, half circle, standing line up, then down, small a, standing line, half circle, again half circle, capital B, standing line, then half circle, small b, capital B, small b, half circle, big half circle, capital C, small half circle, small c, standing line down, big half circle, capital D, standing line down, small half circle, small d, capital D, small d, A, B, C, D, capital E, standing line down, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. We draw 3 sleeping lines. Sleeping line, up and down. It's small e. Standing line down, sleeping line, again sleeping line, capital F. Little curve, go down, sleeping line, small f. Big half circle, go up, then go down, capital G. Half circle, go up, then go down, make a curve, small g. H, standing line down, sleeping line, standing line, capital H, standing line, go up and down, make a curve like this, small h. Now we write capital I, standing line down, sleeping line, capital I, standing line down, 1 dot, small I. Now we write J, standing line down, make a curve, sleeping line up, standing line down, make a curve, 1 dot up, small j. Capital K, standing line down, slanting line, small k, capital line down, slanting line, capital L, standing line down, sleeping line, small l, standing line down, small l. Capital M, standing line up, slanting line down, slanting line up, standing line down, small m. Standing line down, up, make a curve, down, up, make a curve, down, small m. Capital N, standing line up, slanting line down, standing line up, capital N, small n. Standing line down, go up, make a curve, go down, capital O. Big circle, cover 3 lines, okay? Small circle, touch 2 lines. Now we write capital P, standing line down, half circle, capital P, standing line down, half circle, small p. Q, cover 3 lines, touch 3 lines, make a slanting line, capital Q, make a half circle, go with slanting line, up with slanting line, small q. R, standing line down, make a half circle, slanting line, standing line down, go up and curve, half curve, small r. Now we write capital S, make a curve, go down, again make a curve, small s, make a curve, go down, again make a curve, capital S, small s. T, capital T, standing line down, sleeping line, standing line down, make a curve, go up, sleeping line, capital T, small t. Capital U, standing line down, make a curve, go up, make a curve, go up. Capital U, small u. Capital V, slanting line down, slanting line up, slanting line down, slanting line up. Capital V, small v. Capital W, standing line down, make a slanting line up, slanting line down, standing line up. Capital W, standing line down, slanting line up, slanting line down, slanting line up. Small w, slanting line down, slanting line down. Capital X, slanting line down, slanting line down. Small x, slanting line down, slanting line down. Y, slanting line, slanting line. Y, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Capital Z, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Small z,